Okay, this is the DC motor I'll be using to run the test. The reason I'm using DC motor is because I can't lay hand on a AC motor and I don't know which one you want to use, whether it's DC or AC motor. This is the ultrasonic sensor here, and I'll for test. And can't use Arduino UNO because currently it is faulty, but the same code works for Arduino Nano. This is Arduino Nano 3, and I'm using a 12-volt source, and it does not mean that it cannot be used with AC motor, because the way the circuit has been done, it can work with both DC or AC. It's just that there will be a 12-volt power source for the circuit, you understand? So ignore this other part of the circuit, those projects that I'm testing. So this is it. You requested that a button will be pressed to start the motor. As you can see, it's the sensor that is stopping it. As you can see, it is working, and when I press the same button again, it stops. So let me press the button again. So now the button has been pressed and it is working. If you can see, interrupt, it's made in such a way that there is a braking when it senses someone in front of the sensor. I actually 30 centimeters the bin or something in front of it. Once it is not close, so that's the way it means to work. That's it. So